Hi, everybody out there. This is another Math Rocks, and it is relentless repetition of practice. A little RRP with our third grade legends. Today, we're taking gigantic, enormous, ultra dominating math questions. Now, we're also going to focus on just our benchmarks, which are 1, 2, 5, and 10. But as they do these, now this is day one of this, and they're going to come home tonight probably showing you how to do this, at least a little bit. They can also take this 1, 2, 5, and 10 and make it 50, 20, 100, 200, 500, 1,000. Well, today, we're going to show you how we just did this. And they are getting really good. That's a lot of reallys. All right, let's take a little look how we do this. So, the first benchmark we're going to use in 126 is, what's the first one? Adeline, what's the first one?
100.
100. Okay, so we're going to use 100. So underneath this, we're going to write this all down. 100 times, and this 5 always stays the same because the multiplier doesn't change. So we'll put that. Now, how many zeros do you see up here?
2.
How many? 2, thank you. So we're going to put those down. Okay? Now, 5 times 1?
5.
5, thank you. Okay, so right now we're at 100. So some of them will do this over here. Because this is our target number right here. So I can't use 50. Uh-oh. What's another benchmark with the 2, Bennett?
20.
20. So I'm going to use a benchmark of 20. What always stays the same?
The multiplier.
The multiplier. So that's going to stay the same. So I have 1 0, so I'll put that down in the ones column. 5 times 2?
10.
10, thank you. So now over here, we're at 120. Remember, our benchmark is 126. So our next benchmark that works is a 5. So we'll put that down, 5 times 5, because the multiplier never changes. And that equals
25.
25. Way to go. Now I'm going to go over here, tell myself 120 plus 5, I'm at 125. And now the last benchmark is 1. So 1 times 5 equals 5. And I'm at 126, so I've reached my benchmark. I shut down operation. And now our answer to 126 times 5 is right here. 5 plus 5 is 10. Put the 0 down. Carry that 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 5 plus 1?
6.
And ladies and gentlemen, just that easy, they've learned how to break down 126 times 5, and they still have not mastered their 3s, their 4s, their 6s, their 7s, their 8s, or their 9s, but they just showed you how to do 126 times 5. And that's another edition of relentless repetition of practice, the RRP with Wallerville. Give yourselves a hand out there, everybody. Until next time, we'll see you then.